Mr. President, you may not believe the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights, but surely you would believe your own deputy who has said there's been a return to extrajudicial killings and abductions, contrary to what you and him promised the people of Kenya.
Let me tell you, I am the president, and I speak for the government of Kenya, right? And so this is what I'm telling you. I made 3 commitments that I will make sure the police is independent, and I did that on my first day in office. Number 2, I said there will be no extrajudicial killing in Kenya. I have kept my promise. Number 3, I have told you that if there is any arrest by the police, that does not amount to an abduction.
I have no doubt in my mind that the president and I are good friends. We have come a long way. Hatuwezi kubalia mtu yote kuja katikati yetu. Hatuwezi. Kwa sababu tutakuwa tumepotea njia. So tutakaa pamoja, tutaendelea kushauriana, tutaendelea kusikiza kila mtu, tutasikiza hao vijana, tutasikiza kanisa, na zile shida kidogo kidogo ziko tutarekebisha.